All right, here we are in the Celeste Center at the Ohio RV and Boat Show. We'll cruise through and see what we got here. In the Celeste Center, we have specialty RV and RCD RV. Here is specialty RV. We'll do a quick loop through here. Let's get a look around here, see what we got. Now we're only going to go on the outside perimeter. We're not able to go through all of the aisles. This would take an extremely long time. So this will give you an idea of just some of the selection here in the Celeste Center at the Ohio RV and Boat Show.
Good. Oh, we got here. Yeah, this is bigger than
Here we go. I'm gonna come to your left here real quick. Thank you. I'm gonna come to you guys' left here real quick.
Oh.
Thank you. Just smile, smile. You're on camera.
Oh, all right then.
Look at you, man. That balance.
Oh, excuse us.
Oh, yeah. So this is specialty RV. Can't see what they have here. Coming around to your right. Say hi, wave. You guys are on 360. There we go. Okay, now we're entering RCD RV. This is RCD. We just left specialty RV. And this is RCD RV here has a huge selection. And we're going to do the outside loop here as well. Wave, it's a 360 camera, so to see you from all angles. Wave.
RCD!
There it is. Oh, that's going to get tripped. Coming to your right.
You can pull them up all there.
Coming to your left. Thank you. Coming to your right. Oh, you're okay. Look at this. No boundaries. We've got such an assortment of options and everything you can imagine here at the Ohio RV and Boat Show. So we're just taking the outside parameter of the RCD booth because it's difficult to get in and out of all the aisles. It would take quite some time. But we're giving you an idea here of what's available at the Ohio RV and Boat Show here in the RCD. Wave, it's 360. It'll keep seeing you even when I pass you. There you go. So if you look down these aisles, each one of these aisles, there's a whole nother selection. So if you're looking for features and options down each one of these aisles, you're going to find it. It's a complete list of everything, all sizes, all shapes, all options, features, you name it, it is here at the Ohio RV and Boat Show, going on now through Sunday. So, and this is the Celeste Center, and this was RCD, and that's Specialty RV.